Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu garu, respected governors, Sri Jishnudev Verma garu, Sri Bagde garu, Sri Ashok Gajapati Raju garu, Union Minister Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat garu, G. Kishan Reddy garu, Union Minister, Sri Praful Patel garu, Minister, other distinguished guests and dear participants. It is my profound honor to stand before you at the historic Rashtrapati Nilayam for the second edition of the Bharatiya Kala Mahotsav 2025. This festival celebrates the vibrant cultural, culinary and artistic legacies of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Diamond and DU hosted on the welcoming soil of Telangana. It reflects the extraordinary unity in diversity that defines India. As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said, India is a country of unity in diversity. Our climates, cultures and languages may differ, but what binds us is our Indianness, a shared national spirit brought alive by this Mahotsav. From a Telangana lens, today's event evokes the spirit of our national anthem, which gracefully weaves India's many regions into one harmonious identity. Hyderabad itself, often called Mini India, stands as a living example of Ganga Yamuna Tijeb. This festival reminds us that diversity is not a challenge but strength. Our region and languages may differ, but our culture soul is one. Respecting regional identity is essential to national unity. Just as strong roots sustain a banyan tree, strong states make a strong nations. Festivals like these deserve to flourish across the country. Telangana is proud of its own rich heritage, from Oggu Katha, Perini, Bonalu and Batkamma to the grand Sammakka Sarlamma Jatara, one of the world's largest tribal gathering. We honor classical arts like Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Odissi, while celebrating folk and tribal traditions like Koya Kommu dance and Gondi Dimsa with equal importance. As a tribal woman from Mulugu, I say this with pride that the forest is not a resource, it is our identity, our God, our mother and our way of life. Madam President Garu, you are from Odisha and our Governor Sir is from Tripura and I am from Telangana. We may come from different regions, but we are united by the same tribal heritage and the same sacred bond with nature. In this spirit, I respectfully invite you, Madam President, on behalf of the Telangana government and the Adivasi community to grace the upcoming Sammakka Sarlamma Jatara in January. Your presence will be a source of great encouragement to the Adivasi community. In hosting the Bharatiya Kala Mahotsav, Telangana not only welcome India, it reflects India. Diverse melodies rising from different soil merge into one anthem, one emotion and one identity, that is Bharat. My heartfelt congratulations to the Government of India, Rashtrapati Bhavan and to all who contributed to the magnificent festival. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Telangana. Namaskaram.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Union Minister of Coals and Mines, G. Kishan Reddy Garu, to address the gathering.
परम आदरणीय महामहिम भारत का राष्ट्रपति मैडम श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू मैडम, तेलंगाना प्रदेश के गवर्नर ऑनरेबल विष्णुदेव वर्मा जी, गवर्नर ऑफ राजस्थान हरिभाऊ बागडे जी, गवर्नर ऑफ गोवा श्री अशोक गजपति राजू जी, भारत सरकार में मेरा साथी मंत्री यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ कल्चर एंड टूरिज्म श्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी, तेलंगाना प्रदेश के मंत्री श्रीमती अनुसुईया सीतक्का गारू, गुजरात प्रदेश के ट्राइबल डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर श्री नरेश जी और सभी इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने वाले माताओं, भाइयों और बहनों, आप सबको मेरा ओर से नमस्कार। विविधता में एकता का परिचय, ये भारतीय कला महोत्सव का पश्चिम का परंपरा के बारे में आज हम पूरे हुआ है। हर एक राज्य का